What we need now on this cube is to add the labels to each of the sides x, y and z. For example, to perform such task, we adding text. The text land in the 0, 0, 0, the origin point. To edit the text, which switch to edit mode, put x. What we need now to make it bold, here in the data we can go back to the object mode, here not in modifiers but in data, with letter A. We want to pick up this and choose the font. Alright, let it be the Arial black. We also need to make it bigger, and to make it bigger we change here the size. I believe I was using 4 millimeters, but is it 4 millimeters here? No, I cannot type 4 millimeters here, but I can type the 4 as a size value. I will later measure it and verify. We also need to make this not flat but some kind of object. So we extrude it here, and it will be extruded in both sides, up and down symmetrically. And I will type 0.4, just like this. About the size, let's pick, I need to pull it. Alright, it's only 2 millimeters. So I believe it was 3.5 in the fusion. So let's type 7 and measure again. Oh, come on. Yes. 3 and 6. It will be okay. Okay, we need to place this X here. So we need to rotate and move it. Let's rotate along the X 90. Alright, 90 degrees. And now we move it somewhere around here. This point should be here. We need to move it in y direction, minus 20. Not. I forget, it's symmetrical. Minus 10. And also in the x-axis minus 9. Alright, and some to the top, and it was 3 and 6 millimeters, so plus 1 is 4.6 millimeters from top, but the dimension is 10 minus 4.6, 5.4. Oh, excellent. I think it's a little too big, this X. Maybe while we're still here, change its size to the 6, and I move it by hand. Not by hand, I move it by dimension. Oh, it's much better now. To perform any edit, like this adding modifier, what is this? I don't know what it's, something left from previous operation. Add modifier, boolean, and pick object, I cannot pick text object. I need to convert text object to the mesh. Here it is. Convert to mesh. And it changed this icon to the mesh. Let's Control Z. It was a text object, and now it's a mesh object. Now I can add modifier to the cube, pick up object text, and difference as usual. If we hide the text, this extrusion, this cutout is ready. So now I need to repeat it 2 times and our job will be done. Apply, delete, add text, edit mode, Y, object mode, data, Arial black, open font, size 6 and extrusion 0.4. Rotate 90 and also in Z. Yes, just like that. Move. I could already type the transformation information here, not switching the active tools, but I clicked nevertheless. We move in the X by 10, in the Y minus 10, and it was 6 in the Z. Convert to mesh. It's mesh. The click select modifier, add modifier, boolean, object, hide object, yes, apply, and delete it. We don't need it in this moment. And the last one, add text, edit mode, Z, object mode, not this, six 0.4. And we just need to raise it in Z, -9 and -6. 6, yes, 6 in plus. Convert to mesh, modifier, select this, boolean, this object, and apply, and delete. We can view the quality of topology of this mesh in edit mode. It's gonna be okay, I believe. It's gonna print nevertheless like the previous one. Alright, that's all. That's the end of second video of comparison between CAD and Blender. The first one was Fusion, if you in the last video. This one is Blender. So I will try another software in few days, and I will post a video when it's done. Thanks for watching, and bye.